Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last video I have show you how to create and read using App Inventor and PHP. In this video I will show you how to make delete button and update or change data from the table using App Inventor. Now open your Visual Studio Code and then open your project, your last project. In the last video, I have explained to you how to make select query and insert query using PHP. And in this video, I will show you how to make update query and delete with PHP. Okay, now in your Visual Studio Code, make a new file, name it delete.php. PHP include connector.php semicolon, and then you need a variable to get the primary key from your application. So make new variable here. For example, I named the variable is ID equals $get $_get ID semicolon. Now you have to make variable again to make the query SQL equals. Make your delete query here, delete from. My table name is example where. Type the condition here where ID equals ID semicolon, and then execute your query. MySQL query database connection dbc from connector.php, comma, $SQL, semicolon, and save. Now let's move on to your PHPMyAdmin. I will show you the description of my table on my database. Run here database, example table. As you can see, right here there is ID column with yellow key here. Auto increment. This means this ID is for primary key in this table. In my table, there are 4 columns. ID is for primary key, name, phone number, and address. Now let's get back to App Inventor. In previous video, we already made this UI for save or insert your data to the database. You need to insert full name here, phone number, and your address, and then you click save. And then the data will show in this web viewer. Now we will make this web viewer will show a button, and then the button, if you click that button, the data will delete from your table, from your database. Let's move to your project. Type on your browser localhost / your folder name / select.php. This is the user interface from your table. Then open your project on your VSC select.php. You can copy my code here. I use Bootstrap to design my table. Now see your table on if statement. If my SQLi number rows result more than 0. Okay, before the full name here, before the full name, type this th scope equals call id. We make a new column here to show the id from your database. And then right here, move your cursor on line 30 and then hold your shift out and up arrow to copy. Then delete this tr tag from here. Change the name variable to id and save. And then we need one column more to make new button. Okay, enter th scope equals call action th. Save again and then enter, make a new line on line 34 to 35. Type echo td a href equals single quote delete dot php question mark id equals dot space dot dollar row id space dot double quote single quote close the tag open button class equals btn danger single quote delete slash button slash a slash td save and then go back to your browser and refresh. Okay, you can see right here there is show the table shows id 5 for full name person Geran here, phone number 5 1234, address Vietnam, Indonesia, action delete. If I click this button, the data will delete, will erase. Okay, and then get back and refresh. Okay, we move to Visual Studio Code again, and then go to delete.php, add this header, quote unquote, location to select .php. So if we have here guarantee and then we delete, we still in this page. Delete. Nah, see, we still in this page. We not move to other page. And then if we browse in the table, there is no value because we already delete before. Now let's move to App Inventor. Then make a new button here. Okay, we need layout. Make it full parent. Fill parent. Okay, ini save button with field parent, with field parent 22, then change it to refresh. This button will refresh this web viewer, and then go to the blocks, then go to button 1, click button 1, click, go to web viewer, scroll down and get the call web viewer reload. Okay, now we will make update data screen. This is screen 1. Okay, we change the title screen name to insert new data. New data. Enter, insert new data, and then make new screen. Add screen here. Click add screen, then change it to update screen underscore screen. Then enter. Okay. Change the title to update screen. Update screen. Enter. Then make 3 text boxes like in the insert new data screen or screen 1. Go to your update screen, then we need some layouts, and then change it to full name, phone number, this one for address. Change the name, address, phone number, phone, text box 1 is for name. And then we need one more to choose ID or the primary key. We will use pinner at on the top of screen with field parent, and then change the name to ID. Enter. Okay. Then now we will need a notifier and a button to run the process. Update. Enter. Change the text to update bold 22. Make all of this font size to 22. Okay. And then go to block site. Click on screen, update underscore screen. Then when update screen dot backslash, go to control and add this, open another screen name to screen 1. So when users or we click this button or back button, we will move to preview screen 1. Okay, let's move to screen 1. We need one button here. Sorry. Then change the name to update text. Change the text to update bold 22 font size. Go to block site. Click this button update. When update, click. Go to screen number 2 or update underscore screen. Okay, let's move to update underscore screen again. And then we will program the update. Oh, sorry. We need web component. Web. Okay, we will program the update button. When update, click. Go to web, get web component, set a web 1.url to, okay, like this. And then web 1 call get. That's it. Now let's move to Visual Studio Code. Okay, now make a new file here. Update.php. PHP include your connector, semicolon. Then we need variable to get ID and all the data. We need ID first for the ID equals $_get ID semicolon name $_get name semicolon. We need two variables more. Okay, change name to phone number, phone, and address, and then save. Then we will make SQL update query. Update equals update your table name. My table's name is example. Set name equals name. Phone number equals, and then comma address equals address. Where condition, where ID equals ID. And semicolon right here, save, and then execute the query MySQL underscore query database connection, comma, your update query variable, and then add semicolon right here, and then save. This is the code for update your data in your table. And then let's move back to App Inventor. Now add new text here. Type http / your IP address and then your folder's name. My folder's name is tutorial / your file name update.php ID equals enter ID dot element dot selection and name equals get name text here dot text and phone number equals duplicate this to address and address equals. This is the code for update button. Now we will make condition. Condition for name, phone, and address must fill. Okay, get back to designer. I change my idea to change this spinner to text box. Okay, Text box, name it ID 22 ID, fill parent, and then get back to the blocks. Name, duplicate this id.text. Okay, let's make that condition. If get logic, sorry, this one. We have 4 input data here: ID, name, phone, and address. So we modify this to 4 condition. Then go to logic and get this. Move ID to here. Change all of this equals to not equal. Not equal, not equal, and not equal. This one change to address. Change to phone. Change to name. And then move them to top. And then set web1.url. Go to then section. And then make else condition. Else if one of them is blank, call notifier, show alert, fill all data. We will try to run this app. This is my phone connect to my computer. We have 2 data right here. There is Joe Jack with 7777 Anjuk West Java and Joe Biden 7171 Bandung West Java. Let's check the delete button. We will try to delete. Press the delete button. Okay. Joe Biden data is deleted from the table. Then if we insert new data, for example, Budi, phone number 12345 6, and then address Jakarta, and save. As you can see, there is number 8, Budi, 12345 6, Jakarta. And if we want to update or change the data, I want to change Budi to Jack Ma, for example. Go to update, see your ID, which ID you want to change, and then go to update. Type the ID right here, 8, and then full name. I want to change it to Jack Ma. Phone number 1234567. Address, I want to change to China, for example, and then update. And then you can go back to previous screen. As you can see, the data is already changed to Jack Ma 1234567 China. I want to delete number 7. Tap delete, and then as you can see, number 7 is already removed from the table. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye bye.